June 2018, question 9b. And the question reads, it says the diagram below, not drawn to scale, shows a circle with center O. The points A, B, C, and M are on the circumference. And it says the straight line CN is a tangent to the circle at the point C and is perpendicular to BN. It's perpendicular to BN. So we're asked to determine, given a reason for your answer I, the size of angle A, B, C. So the first thing we're asked to do is asked to determine the size of angle A, B, C. So we're being asked to find this angle here. Alright, so how we're going to find that? The first thing I would do is I would start by saying that angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees. It's an angle in a semicircle. So this angle here is equal to 90 degrees. And as I said earlier, it's an angle in a semicircle. Alright, so once that angle is equal to 90, I can say that angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 58 plus 90 degrees. Because these three angles are angles in a triangle, and angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So this is 180 minus 148, and this is equal to 32 degrees. So the angle here is 32 degrees. So we're asked to determine the size of angle CMB. We're asked to determine the size of angle CMB. So let's identify that angle. Angle CMB. So that would be this angle here. Angle CMB, which is this angle here. Alright, so angle CMB would be equal to 180 minus 58. So this would be equal to 122, and they're opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So these two angles here, these two angles must add up to 180 degrees. They're opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Alright, next, so the third and final angle that we have to find is angle NCM. We need to identify the size of angle NCM. That's this angle here. Angle NCM. Angle NCM, which is that angle there. Alright, and the easiest way to find that is to look at this triangle here. Look at triangle, it's the quickest way I can see to find it is to look at triangle NCM and the exterior angle, which is 122 degrees. Now, From this, I can say that angle, so this is triple I can say that angle NCM would be equal to 122 minus 90 degrees. And so the angle here would be equal to 32 degrees. The angle there is 32 degrees. All right, so the angle there is 32 degrees. And this is the reason. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. All right, so the exterior angle of the triangle is 122, and it would be equal to this angle here, that angle there, plus 90. So the 122 is equal to 90 plus angle NCM. So therefore, angle NCM would be equal to 122 minus 90 degrees. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So angle NCM is equal to 32 degrees.